Hey everybody, this is Anna. Today I'm going to be reading you the blog Emotions, a continuing exploration of what's inside. Earlier this year, I created an image titled Emotions. To me, it was about using symbolism to depict how our emotions come to the surface and out of us. In it, I had two figures connecting, and through the use of color, I wanted to symbolize the raw power of two different emotions that could occur when people connect. The human touch is a powerful thing and can ignite any plethora of things. I wanted the colors to embody a duality of emotions, such as people can often feel. Both colors powerful, yet neither overtaking the other. In this triptych, I wanted to further explore that same concept with three new emotions: love, angst, and nervousness/anxiousness, that feeling of butterflies in our stomach. The result from the original piece, Emotions, really fascinated me, so I wanted to use the same bellowing smoke in these images. I decided to create a triptych more as a challenge to myself. I've created 2 images in a series, but not 3. Usually, my pieces are quite standalone, but a mentor advised me to explore creating more images that would go together in a series. I felt that a series on emotions would be perfect. The emotions I selected range from positive, love, to negative, angst. The image butterflies could go either way. It could symbolize that excited anxiousness we feel when we're about to try something new, or that anxiousness we feel when we're waiting bad news. In order to tie these 3 images to my original piece, I wanted to keep the background colors somewhat similar. So I had to keep in mind that neutral palette moving forward. When conceptualizing these 3 works, I was drawn to create images that looked more like portraits taken in a studio. Sometimes, as photographers, we have no idea what our clients or subjects are thinking, but inside, they may very well be feeling any one of these 3 emotions. Why figures with smoke coming out of their heads? Well, when I think of emotions, I think of steam that needs to be let out, or the pressure will build so much in the object that contains it that it will explode. Emotions feel the same way to me. We can bottle them for so long, but they seem to come to a point of explosion. It may not necessarily be an outward burst of words, but it could even be manifested through our actions. If we learn to give them a way out, like steam in a pressure cooker, then we can help avoid the sudden rush for them to come out all at once. What emotions are you connecting with right now? What do they look like for you? Please feel free to comment here, on YouTube, or on my blog. Thank you so much for listening. This is Anna Bruce.